Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Nitya, Dayash. Good evening, Suhasni, ma'am. Good evening, Babu, Arvo. Good evening, Amulya. Good evening, Bharat sir. Yeah, good evening, sir. Gulsen Kumar. Yeah, good evening. Good evening, everyone. So once again, welcome to the Business Intelligence Masterclass series. Yeah. So today is a day 7. So last class we will completed with data visualization, right? So data, what is data visualization as well as principle of visualization. These are all things we will discuss. So we was discussed, and also how to visualize the data in coding wise. So in Python coding, how can we do that? So these kind of things we will complete in the last class. So today is a day 7. Here we are starting with the one of the another tool, that is Tableau. So already we will, as we was discussed about the one particular tool, that is Google Analytics. So what is Google Analytics, how it is work, and how can we install that. So these kind of things we will discuss. We was discussed in the last session, like last before two session, right? So here it's another tool, that is Tableau. So what is Tableau? It is one of the familiar tool, same like as Power BI. So in this particular session, introduction about Tableau and also how to install the Tableau, and I will show you one or two template how can we create that. Okay, in upcoming session, next session, we will follow up the on how can you create a dashboard in a particular Tableau too. Okay, um, yeah, Venkateshwar, good evening. Sri Krishnan, good evening, and Ayub Khan, good evening. Sujita, good evening. Indu, good evening, and Shivani, good evening. Ashwini, good evening, and Nitya Raj, once again, good evening. So already said to you good evening, so once more you said like that. So okay, fine. So here we will start with that. So without delay, we will start the session. So let's say exploring the Tableau dashboard and charts. This is the today's topic. It's a day 7 topic. So what is Tableau? So first of all, Tableau is one of the visualization tool. Right? Already we know about that. So Tableau is a visual analytics platform used to explore, create and share the visualization in online, and it is a tool that helps individuals and organization use data to solve the problem with a focus on making data easily understandable and actionable. And Tableau offers you varieties of products including Tableau desktop or for analysis, Tableau public for free online sharing. So these are all things that Tableau will help to create. Okay, now, so already we know about this, right? So in this particular thing is a business intelligence concept. This full and full to understanding the data like a picturized format or visualized format. Okay, so Tableau is also one of the tool to do this kind of things. Okay, and the next one, so why we can use the Tableau? We also use the Tableau. So Tableau is primarily used for data visualization and business intelligence as a way of sharing and analyzing the information. So multiple times we will discuss about this, right? So what is visualization and what is business intelligence? So these kind of things are already we will discuss the lots of things. So here the developer tool are used to create a dashboard, charts and reports and the other visualization methods so that data imported into Tableau can be organized and manipulate and also display in a way that relates to it other data. So these tools help users answer question with the data, so discover trends and form of hypothesis about business performance, and the Tableau's desktop and public products fall into this category. So this kind of Tableau is available on desktop application also or web application also is available to we will work with our data. Okay. So next one, key features of Tableau. So what are the key features? That is data visualization, data connectivity, data preparation, and interactive exploration and collaboration of sharing. These are the key features. This is most of the visualization like business intelligence tools or visualization tools working followed by this kind of things. Right. So visualization you can use that, and the connectivity about the data, our insights and data, and the preparation of our data, and the interactive with the exploration and the collaboration. So these kind of things repeatedly we will see. So different Tableau products. What are the products are available? Next one, sir. The Tableau desktop, Tableau public, and also Tableau online and the Tableau server. So Tableau desktop is one of the desktop application we can create and share the visualization. Public is using for free platform for publishing our data. So once we can create the report or visualization, we can share it to the but that particular source that everyone we can see our visualization. So Tableau online is a cloud-based platform for creating, sharing, and collaborating the visualization. And service also same like that is a premises platform for managing and distributing the visualization with an organization. It's compare like a contact with a particular company or industry like that. It's the server is mostly used to the freelancers, the Tableau developer, and the Tableau programmer. This kind of roles is working like this kind of things. Like the Tableau server. It's directly contact with an industries also companies. Okay, so next one. Okay. Okay, so once we're done with the installation, then we can come to this particular thing. Okay, so next one is the installation of Tableau. So how to install this Tableau application? So HTTPS. So this particular thing is having an application like the download link. That particular download link, I will try to share it in a chat box. Okay, I cannot share with the chat. Okay, so in this particular thing, so we have a direct link to this particular application. So if you need this, you can get it from our internship. We will provide this particular link also. You can easily download that. So here on particular or else you can directly go with the search with the browser and like Tableau download, Tableau desktop download. You can get it the page and you can download this application. And once you followed by our link, so once the window opens, enter your mail ID and again give them to download the button. So that's it. There's a simple method to download this application. And once the download progress will done, so just open the file and accept the terms and conditions by selecting the checklist and also give a install button. So once you can download the exe file and then you can install the particular application. Okay, so this is the way of procedure to installing the application of Tableau. So next one I have to share it. Okay. Okay, so yeah, now I continue. Srinivas asking, can we run Tableau on cloud? Yeah, so we can run. So you see this. So we have an online Tableau also available, a cloud-based platform for creating, sharing, and upload the our data for collaborate of our visualization. So they are also available in cloud also. So in upcoming session, I will give say like show you how can we do this kind of things. Then so here I will offer a business intelligence program like internship. So in this particular internship, having some 8 kind of benefits. So what are the benefits that? So 30 days exclusive recording sessions and all presentations, downloadable source code, and all resources are provided to you. And exclusive 7+ project codes with downloadables are available. IET confirmation letter and 90 days of LMS course access and assignment plus task. VIP community and special updates are available. And high valued IET certified internship certificate we will provide it to you. So these are all the 8 kind of benefits available in this particular internship. So already the first batch will completed, ends on previous Saturday. So 31st is the last date. I already say to you. So here next batch starting with for you. So don't miss this offer. The discount fee is the 999. So registration link we will share it in the chat box. Once you're going to check, it's a limited time offer. So second batch will start it. So don't miss this. The coming 7th is the last date for this. So don't miss this. Okay. This is the payment page for your internship link. So don't forget to fill this one. Right. So now I will show you how can we installing the Tableau. Okay. Okay. So here, so I already said, so I have a link. So directly I go with the link. I can get the page of the official page of Tableau. Okay. So here you can give us some your basic details. Just give your name and your mail ID. So I give my mail ID and what is the role of your student. So if you're a common user, you can give that student or anything. So just basically change to student. Or personal user also you can give. So I'm a researcher, so I give the researcher like this. So once you click the download the app, so you can get the page like this. So once you sign into your mail ID, then you can get the page like this. So here the notification like showing here. So what is your system software? So if you are using Mac OS, Intel or Apple application or Windows, whatever, based on your system OS, you can choose the format. So if I have Windows, so I click the Windows, so automatically the download exe file will download it here. So you see that it's nearly 500 to 600 MB. It's nearly the size of the file. So once you click that, now I click this, the exe file will download it. So once the download will be done, so I will move on to the next page. So I already have the application. So once you download the done, I will show you. So or else you can go with another tab or search it here like this. So download. So if you're a common user, right? So download Tableau. Just type like this. So the first initial link is also here. So I'll click the download Tableau desktop. So you can get it here. So this is also a simple way. So we have a link. So then one day I will say to you. So generally you can search with here. You can directly go with this page and the same like this. You can give your details and once you click the download free trial. It is an online thing. So who's that? Anyone like Srinivas? I think you are. It's an online platform. So once you give a basic details and download free trial, you click this. You can get online. You can apply like that website web page. You can work with your data. So how we can see the Google Analytics. So Google Analytics is also one of the web page. I don't have a desktop application. So I will show you the Google product is here. So once you scroll up, you have Google Analytics. So Google products available in the website. So same like us, here the Tableau is having one of the web page to online working. Okay, fine. So if you need application, you can get a link from us. So we have application in internship users for. Okay, now so this is the way you can installing the application. So now I have done the installation and the introduction of the Tableau. Now I going to the application to work with that particular Tableau application. So once I search with the Tableau, it's open. So already I have the application and only directly open the application, right? Okay, so here the exe file will download it. So here my app will be open. Okay, so now the application will open. So before that, now we have exe file, right? Once I click this, yeah. So if you newly download this application, you can give that terms and conditions sorry, um, product usage. So you select the particular important boxes to select and give the install. Okay, so it takes too much time. So we know needed the progress will initiated. So we can move on to the next one. So already we have application, right? So we directly go on with that. I think already I show you, right? The Power BI application. So here also some kind of files is here. So the Microsoft Excel file, text file like CSV file, JSON file, Microsoft Access PDF, spatial file, statistical file. So here some kind of options only here. So server is more. So this is connecting the data. So here is the server is here. The Google Drive or OData or web data. So this is the cloud based data. So we can implement to our SQL file. We can directly connect with that. We will work on it. So or else you can going with an Excel file or whatever it is based on your file type. We can choose that. So here I choose the text file, and I will work with. Okay, choose the data. So I think I have a hard data only. Right here choosing the music data. So music generator I have. I will choose this one. So it's a small data. So whatever it is, we can try to. Okay. Okay, wait a second, guys. Yes, have some error. So once again, click the text file. Yeah, because the installation process once again is doing on. So then only it's happened. So wait a second. So once again, click the text file and choose this file and open. Yeah, failed to start new hyper instance. So because already is here. Okay, so yeah. So once the progress will done, then only we can move on to this. Okay, I will cancel this because I already have the application, right? So now you know how to install this one. So now I cancel this progress because it's not needed. Okay. Okay, now I will cancel the progress. So once again I am going to choose the file. Unable to complete actions. Okay. So once I close the everything. Because my system is full of storage, so then only it's happened, I think. Okay. Okay, wait a second. So once again I will install this one. Okay, sorry guys. So already have application. So once again I download the file. So I interrupt the particular progress, right? So then only the errors happen. So now it's going to the update. So once I complete this installation, then only I move on to the next procedure. So can you wait? So already almost is done. So for my fault, I mistakenly I will stop the installation. Okay, it's almost done, so can you wait? What is the minimum RAM required to run this application? No, it's just on 500 MB, right? So it's no don't have much kind of space. So it's generally the Windows having um, we cannot install in the mobile application. So desktop, it's enough with that your general application, like general RAM, 8 GB RAM, whatever it is. 4 GB RAM, 4 GB RAM is enough for that. So you don't have much space. Okay, now it's updated. Okay, now it's installing. So can you wait? Oh, sorry. Okay, now application open or not? Yeah. So now it's fully done. So again I choose the file. Okay. So here I go into the page, choose the data. Okay, I try to choose the car data. So it's much data is here. So now the car data will uploaded. So here you can see this is the car data. So the left side, what are the field is here. So the car name and the year, selling price, present price, kilometer driven, fuel type, seller type, and transmission, as well as owner type. So these are all the things, like column names are here. In the right side, so everything is shown like that. So the car name is the brand name wise, the year of the releasing, like that, introducing the model, and the selling price of the each car and present price of the each car, and the kilometer, how much kilometers drive, and the fuel type of the particular car, seller type, and transmission wise, owner, how much of owners is here, single owner or multi owner, like that. These are details is present here. So here we can check it that. So whatever it is, so how it is working like this. So if you want to directly go with the data, okay, so here we cannot change the data. So just changing the values and rename the thing and add create the new values only. So we cannot analyzing the null values each here. It's not like just we can move on to the ascending or descending order wise, and we can compress the row size. So first for 100 rows or 50 rows, like that ways we can filter it. So we cannot work with that remove the values, null values, like that. It's only happen in the Power BI. So this is generally the Power BI is on top of the table in visualization tools. Okay, so now I'm going to the visualization. So I'm going to the worksheet. So just create another sheet. Okay, already sheet is here, I think. Yeah. So here the home page, like report page of Tableau. So in left side the fields are here, car name, fuel type, seller type, so whatever it is. So here it's differently showing like a measure names and measure values are split it like that. So here the car name is a measure name, that means the text data are give it here top of the table, and the measure values, the owner how values, numbers values is here, and that is also separately showing here. Okay. So in the right side the visualization is here, the what are the visualization is here, that are showing. If you hide it or show it, whatever it is. So now we will start with an fuel type wise selling count. Okay. So once I added these fuel type into the column, and car name I will give to the row. So I give it a table, not like table, I give it a row. Okay, wait a second. And try to visualize the car type price visual. Yeah, sorry guys, it's a network issue, so only, yeah. Okay, so here I will show you to the fuel type wise. Yeah, okay sir, fine. Fuel type wise, how much kilometer the particular cars will be drive. Okay, so CNG type of car, it's a 85,000 maximum value is 85,000 is drive, and also diesel wise 30 lakhs thousand is drive. The petrol related cars is at 80 lakhs overall. Sum of value is an 80 lakhs kilometer is drive. Overall cars count. Okay. So if I give an entire view means we can see like this. Yeah. So here we can change the color and the label, everything we can do this. So once I give the fuel type into the color, that is based on the color which before, as well as I will give it to the another thing, that is a label also I will give it to it, and yeah, label. So CNG, petrol and diesel, so whatever it is here, I change it thing to size. So size is not needed, so already it's the roundup is here. Is one thing. So okay, so here the sum of the kilometer driven. So now we can change it the value into, yeah, measure value into the maximum. So now we can check the petrol cost is maximum driven, so 5 lakhs, and diesel cars are 1 lakh 97,000 kilometer is the diesel type car will be drive. See what it was drive, and 49,000 only CNG kilometer is maximum of kilometers driven like this. So we can change it the measured values like it here. So percentage, so whatever it is. So if you need a count, total count or average or sum of values, everything. So this is one kind of type, right? So here the fuel type wise, we can visualize how much kilometer is it drive. So next one, so we have move on to the next one, that is car name wise. Okay, it's too much of car brands. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it is too much of car data is here. So we can try to give a transmission. Okay, so we can give it a proper data, we can make the relationship, then only we can get the visualization. So present price of the each car name. So here the Activa 3D, so most of the values is here. Okay, so the top one is that Fortuner. The Fortuner car is having $338. We can fix like that. Okay, the Fortuner car name is a $338 is present price, and what is that? City is one of the car names, 306, and Corolla Altis is the 281, and Innova is the 160, Verna is the 131, and Land Cruiser is the 192, Ciaz is the 87, and i20 is a 64, Brio is a 60, Ertiga is 57, and Jazz is a 57.1, and SX4 and Ame is a 47. So based on the brand name wise, the present price will be different. So now we can comparing with the selling price also. So the first generation 338, but the selling price also same like a 338. The city is an okay. So both values are showing now. Yeah, we can comparing with then both. So selling price is 205, but present price is 338. So the price will be increased. Selling present price will be increased. So based on the car wise, the price, selling price, and what is that? Present price is the increase or decrease. We can identify that. Okay, so now is no needed a selling price. So the another sheet we will create, and we can create the multiple things. So year wise car released, we can try to visualize that car name and year. So but it's not like comes properly, so we can try to change the visualization. Don't do this. Okay, so this is the way we can create the thing. So in next class, in upcoming class, we will detailedly discuss about this kind of Tableau tool, how can we create. So tomorrow is that topic is create a dashboard in a Tableau. So how can we do that? We can take down interactive data and interesting data we can take and to try to visualize that. So in the particular session, I will do the brief explanation about this kind of Tableau tool. Okay. So this is the way we can create. So now I will show you two kind of templates. How can we create with the Tableau tool? Okay. So yeah. So that's it. So today we will discuss about the. So we was discussed about the Tableau, explore the Tableau and the dashboard and charts. This is the thing we will discuss about today's class. I hope you all understand. So nearly 50 people will like the video. So if you like this this information, like this session, kindly hit the like button for our motivation and also for our happiness. Yeah. So whatever it is. So now you have any queries, you can ask. So we have we will provide the contact details, contact number also. So anywhere, anytime you can contact with us. Yeah, okay, thank you for your responses, and don't forget to give your attendance. So day 7 attendance will be shared in the chat box, so kindly give your attendance, so don't forget this. So otherwise we will meet with the next session and see you to all. So now it's any doubt you can ask. So Srinivasa, thank you for your questions. So you have asked 2 questions, thank you for that. So not only particular people, so everyone, what kind of doubt or queries you can ask. So we will try to sort out that. Okay. So tomorrow I will, once we can complete the visualization of Tableau, so I will give us some task. So you can try with yourself and you can easily understand about that. Okay, so tomorrow I will share I give a simple task. Okay now. Okay, so I think no one can have doubt. Okay, fine. Thank you everyone. Thank you Shyam Sundar sir. Thank you Pranav. Thank you Wilson Kumar. Thank you. So thank you everyone. So we will meet with the next session and see you. Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, Srinivas, sir. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Shivani. Thank you, everyone.